I'm probably gay.
No, you're not.
Okay, wait, what's your name again?
Bella.
I believe in you.
No, Edward, no! Don't leave me.
You kind of look like a man anyway.
But I'm not.
I wouldn't know. I
Yes,
glitter.
you
I glow in the dark. Wait, was that the game movie I went saw with
Your
you?
eyes randomly move.
They move.
I'm hungry.
You have bolts
I'm
sticking
hungry
out of
too.
your neck.
I have to fart.
You know Edward looks more like Frankenstein right now?
I want a cookie.
I happen to have a cookie in my front pockets.
Hello.
It's so creepy.
Hello, Carrie.
You're like a little kid, and I'm like a pedophile, and you're like in a
Hello,
prison.
Carrie.
Put on a puppet show for me.
Mommy. 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 Mom. Yes, Mom.
Shut up, Misty.
I know, Mommy.
Mommy.
I don't have any hair, but it's okay.
Mommy, give me a kiss.
Hair is overrated.
Mommy, do you have breast cancer?
Yes.
You don't have breast.
I also don't have any hair. I look like a tortoise.
You're
Not a
ugly.
tortoise. A tortoise.
You look like Mommy.
I look like a tortoise.
You look like Gumby.
You look like... I can't say that word right now.
Mommy, do you love me?
Heck no. Come into my butt.
Ew, Michael, wow.
That's gross. Who are you? Are you my daddy?
Sometimes.
You're balding. Am I gonna go bald?
Look at this. No hair. Look at the hair.
I don't wanna go bald.
That's why you're wearing a hat, my daughter.
It smells funny.
Probably because
I wanna kill you.
this sucks.
I'm not good at puppet shows.
Zombie.
Yeah, play zombies.
You
Play
look like the
zombies.
guy that just shot a Fortnite.
Kelsey's not even watching, you dirty.
I wanna
Yeah, Kelsey, you're not even watching. Dirty hoe.
I'm going to attack.
Kelsey. Oh my gosh. Hey, kid.
That's my shoe. Don't look at me!
Look, you're so gay.
Ow! Just kidding. I didn't mean for that to happen.
Ew, Kelsey.
He does it really well.
Ew, what is that?
I don't know.
She's actually crying too.
So, like, you like the puppets?
Stop screaming, please.
How do you like the puppets, Michael?
It's really hot. I make my arms sweat.
That's nice.
This one has stuff in his mouth.
No, pretend like what it says. I can't do this.
Lizzie, look at his mouth.
I'm the one of it. Paranormal activity.
Kelsey, Lizzie, look right there.
What is that? Is that something that would show up on an x-ray? I mean, not an x-ray of a UV thing, you know? Like how they do the hotels? Yeah, shut up.
Misty, let's see.
No, no.
They scare me. Oh. I love you, Dad.